Welcome to another video on fun and exciting adventures with the Honeymoon Hikers. We're actually here at the plane crash site of the Cessna 414 here on Waterrock Knob. To get here, all you have to do is be on the Blue Ridge Parkway and drive up to Waterrock Knob, hike a half a mile to the top, and then it's about a half a mile over here. It is rocky and rooty, but well worth coming over here and seeing this plane crash. Not sure what year they crashed, or you can Google that, but this is our first time here and it's pretty cool. Spread out on down here. Pieces everywhere. Somebody had a fire here and camped out. I don't know why we ain't never been down here.